Alright, we're back at you with another video. 100% het, 66% het, 50% het. What the heck does all of that mean? Het is a shortage of heterozygous, which means that the animal are carrying the genes but are not visual for the trait. Welcome to Scandinavian Boa. Let's dig into this. First off, an animal is either het for the trait or not. 100% het is often being used to show that the animal is indeed heterozygous for the recessive trait in ads or on social media and stuff like that. An animal like this is from a pairing where one of the parents is a visual for the trait, or homozygous as it's called in scientific terms. For example, we breed a visual albino to a normal wild type animal. None of the animals will be a visual albino, but all will be het for the trait. If we instead breed the visual animal to an animal that is het for albino, we'll instead receive about half or 50% of the babies that are visual albinos, and the other half will be het for albino. So, what does 66% and 50% het means? So, let's take this little girl as an example. She's from breeding a hypo jungle that is het for both albino and leopard to a hypo that is het for albino. So she's hypo, as you can see. She's also pos jungle. She's pos super hypo, but I don't believe that she is. But if we move over to the recessive traits, albino and leopard in this one, since both parents are het for albino, about 25% of the babies came out as visual albinos. The rest of the babies are being labeled 66% het. This means that those babies have a 66% or 2 out of 3 thirds chance of being het for albino. Since only one of the parents were het for leopard, we get no visual leopards since it's a recessive trait, and the babies are being labeled as 50% het leopard. Or you could say 50% pos het leopard, which means that you have 1 out of 2 chances that the baby you're getting is actually het for leopard. So, how do I then know if the animal is het or not? You just have to prove them out by breeding them to something that are carrying the same gene, either a het or a visual one. In this girl's case, I'll try to breed her to a male that's visual for albino first, to prove that out. In this case, our IMG Moonglow male. This is the first prove out if she's actually het for albino or not, and then later on maybe something that's carrying the leopard gene, but that is for the future to show. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them down in the comments, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this. It really means a lot to me and makes a difference. Until next time, me and this little beauty are saying goodbye.